There's many ways to grow your seedlings to put into the salad table, and if you've got these little seedling baskets that we supply on our website, I'll show you a really simple way to get your hardware or nursery or farmer's market grown seedlings going. I've got just a strawberry punnet here that I got from the local hardware. You'll see there's quite a lot of dirt on that. I'm just going to wash it off. Just got a bucket of water, a little container of water here. Just dip it in, wiggle it around a little bit. Doesn't matter if you break a few roots off, whatever. And we're just going to wash all the dirt off because we don't really want dirt floating around through our salad table system because it'll only block the pump up, and we don't need it. Dirt is not required. All right, grab our little seedling basket. Just grab a couple of the roots and just pull them through like that. Now these sit right on the bottom of your channel. Just pop them out like that. There you go. Push a few through. You see they're going to sit in the water now. That also protects the edges of the plant as well. And then if we just chuck it straight in the hole, there you go. There's a little seedling that was grown in dirt and it's now in the salad table. Quite simple. You can get these off our website at thesaladtable.com.au.